Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious and super simple banana ice cream.
Let's get started. First, you'll need 3 ripe bananas. The riper, the better, as they'll be sweeter and easier to mash.
In a mixing bowl, add the mashed bananas, 1 cup of whole milk, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Whisk everything together until well combined.
Next, add 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream and whisk it until the mixture is smooth and creamy.
Now fill up your freezer cups for the Ninja Creamy with the mixture. If you don't have a Ninja Creamy, you can also use a traditional ice cream churn.
Place the cups in the freezer and freeze them until the mixture is solid, which should take several hours to overnight.
Once frozen, remove the cups from the freezer. For those using a Ninja Creamy, place the cup in the machine and run it on the ice cream setting. If you're using a traditional ice cream churn, follow your machine's instructions.
After the initial processing, add half a cup of chopped pecans to the ice cream. Use the mix-in setting on the Ninja Creamy or fold the pecans manually if using a traditional ice cream churn.
And that's it. You can enjoy your banana ice cream right away or freeze it again for a firmer texture. It's perfect for a healthy snack or dessert.
You can also get creative with your banana ice cream by adding toppings like chocolate chips, a drizzle of caramel, or even extra cinnamon.
We're Sean and Heather. We hope you enjoy this simple and delicious banana ice cream as much as we do.
And subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. And check out our video on no churn vanilla ice cream, which is perfect topping for peach or blackberry cobbler. We'll see you next time with recipes as easy as 1, 2, 3.